bago itong bukas dito sa Alwada Mall. I think 1 year or less than 1 year. Yes. So dito ako namimili palagi. Dati kasi doon sa Daddy. So ngayon bago na dito na. Ang ganda, ang dami nilang sale. Yung bag nila buy 2 get 1. So ang ganda ng Vans na shoes. So this is their, what's this place? Say baby, don't leave Martin. This is the Valentine celebration here in Alwada Mall. So nice, their decoration. See my jacket. Knock until now, the line is still full. So we will go home na guys, and then let's do unboxing sa amin na shopping ni Cutie Pie. We are so full. Grabe. Oh, diba? Until now, they're still not finished taking picture. Our dinner for tonight. Here in the famous days. Try them. Ang sarap ng ano nila. Shell. What's that name again, baby? Mesos, but the name of the menu?
Grilled mussels.
Grilled mussels? Oh, okay. Their mojito also is too much. Yum, yum.
The food is nice.
So much nice. Of course, the day is nicer, the famous beach, okay? That's why I bring you here, right? Hey, ay for tonight pala, guys. This is for Cutie Pie, Amazon. Yeah, this is the big part, the biscuit, right? It's dinner time! Air and famous beach. Thank you. Ang rush. Grabe ang taas ng pila sa parking. Diyos ko, mag-11 na. See? Hindi ko alam kahit anong oras pa kami makasakay. Look at guys, waiting for the taxi. Grabe, ang limit. Taas, rush talaga kasi Valentine's Day nga. Yung kumain niya kami doon, wala nang ano, steak. Naubusan na ng steak. Guys, we reach home na. Yung Valentine's Day namin, nawala sa plano ang mag-shopping. Actually, ang plan lang namin talaga, kakain sa labas, gala-gala. Sabi ni Cutie Pie, we only do window shopping. Ang nangyari, hindi window shopping ang nangyari. We buy his perfume. Actually guys, na-open to dahil sa short video ko. So his Mont Blanc perfume. Pangalawa na niya itong ano guys. Pangalawa na niya itong perfume. Yeah, see? So i-unboxing natin. Gustuhan kasi niya yung amoy eh. So pangalawa na to niya guys. Ang isa malapit lang matapos. Pero maabot pa yata yun ng next month. And then 3 perfume of John Hill. Is this old guys. Mabango siya, grabe. With my 2 balls from Steve Madden. Ang ganda niya guys. This is my first design and color. So, lahat ng mga binili ko guys is for travel. Kasi marami na din akong maliliit. So, look at the design. Diba? Ang ganda. And then, ganun. Yeah, I like this. But I like that Michael Kors, guys. Kaso masyadong mahal ang Michael Kors.
This is wood.
Kasi, yeah, oud. So, this is the one, guys. Yung isa, black.
I don't like the Michael Kors design.
Yeah, and a little bit costly. So much costly siya. So, pwede siya i-ano, guys. Pwede siya i-slim.
So the design was there.
Actually, I think have damage again. It's good. So, pwede ito siya i-slim, guys. Yeah. Like that then. Oh, Taj Mahal. See you there. Yeah, I will do Taj Mahal. over here. No, yeah, this is detachable. It will not.
Can make it.
No. Not same for my Zara. For my Zara, guys, is detachable. See, the shoes of Kitty Pie, guys. Actually, na-open ko na to. Pero, kasi nag-ano din ako sa aking reels. Yeah. So, ito yung dalawang shoes ni Kitty Pie. Polo. Yes. Nakasale kasi sila, guys. Ang daming sale ngayon. And of course, her bands. So, diba? So, ito ang ginawa namin sa Valentine's Day, guys, without any plan. Yes, we don't have plan for this all. Nauwi sa shopping. Ang lahat. Yes. And of course, my Adidas again jacket. Shout out pala sa aking jacket na Adidas. Ang ganda. So, diba? Ito ang uso ngayon, guys. Ito, guys, naka-sale ko. Actually, nakakuha ko ng coins ng 25 dirham. Nakales ako. Kailangan kami mag-purchase ng jacket worth 45 dirham. So, i-minus nila yung 25 dirham. So, look at their marketing, guys. Kaso, exclusive only for winter. So, doon ka lang maghahanap sa winter. Kasi patapos na dito ang winter, guys. Kaya wala akong magawa. Ito na lang kinuha ko, guys. Adidas. Ang ganda. Magamit ko din naman to pag mag-travel. Or next year. Actually, guys, yun din ang mga style ko, guys. Bibili ako ng mga pang winter pag malapit nang matapos kasi nagsisale yan sila lahat. Kasi di ba mag-change sila ng mga display sa mall. So next winter magagamit ko na yun kasi pag during winter mahal na yung lahat ng pang winter. O di ba? Oh. Adidas din to, guys. It's nice. So may hoodie din siya dito. Ang ganda. So it's worth only 69 dirham kasi nga naka-sale from. Alam nyo ba, guys, magkano ang regular price nito? From 169 dirham going to 69 dirham. So, I can less 100 dirham. And then, may discount pa, may points pa ako ng 25 dirham dahil sa dami namin pinamili. Yeah. So, ito din, guys. Oh, ang ganda din ng miniskirt. Naka-sale din to, guys. So, that's all for today's video. Yun lang ang ginawa namin ni Kitty Pie. Nag-shopping, kumakain sa labas. Actually, gusto sana niyang pumunta sa Ferrari World. Kaso kami, takot kaming dalawa magra-ride. All of rides there. So, lugi kami sa aming entrance. So, we decided na lang na mag-mall, mag-window shopping. Ang result, nag-shopping talaga. And then, we eat the dinner there in the famous Dave's. Grabe ang sarap, guys. As in. Kaso naubusan sila ng beef steak. Yeah, ay steak, sorry. Naubusan sila. So wala kaming magawa. Kundi kumain na lang kami ng isa ng... What's that name again, Kitty Pie, you buy? Yeah. Is that all for today's video, guys? And thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, from Diane Studio.